In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable parking brake in a Tesla. Simply select the car icon here, and then you can find safety in the settings and just scroll down to the bottom. And as we can see here, there's a parking icon. Foot must be on brake pedal. Okay, so I'll put my foot on the braking pedal, and now we can just press. And then if we see here, there's a P, a red P, and we can see that the parking brake is enabled. There's also another method. We can just go out of the parking brake mode by simply dragging the stick down. You can also, if you got stick on your wheel like I do, you can just hold the button in for a few seconds. As we can see, the car is now in park mode. So that's how to enable parking mode in a Tesla. I hope this video was helpful and that you'll consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.